We may not know what we want in life, but we definitely know what we don't want in life.
What did you do in terms of grounding yourself?
To realize what life is about. Remember, I said I thought it was one life, and this life I have to live. I don't want to be married to anybody other than an Indian. Oh, very good. एक tick mark तो हो गया ना. So you're narrowing down, then you'll come to a zone. Na? I just want to be married, find me someone. Someone doesn't happen. Marriage is karmic. So if you're not getting married, be happy. Maybe you don't have that karma. आप गले में जबरदस्ती क्यों फंदा डालोगे? यदि आपकी शादी होनी होती तो इजीली हो जाती. इतना हाथ पैर मारने की जरूरत नहीं है.
You're doing a research on period pains. So what is that research?
वो गर्ल्स जिनको बचपन से या तो सिखाया गया तुम्हें दर्द होगा, तो यू आर प्रोग्रामिंग कि मुझे दर्द होगा. जैसे इवन वाइल चाइल्ड बर्थ, नॉट ऑल वुमेन गो थ्रू पेन. सेम वे पीरियड पेन हर एक को नहीं होता. पीसीओडी, पीसीओएस, फाइब्रॉइड्स हर एक को नहीं होता. मनी इज बिकमिंग अ प्रॉब्लम, बिग प्रॉब्लम. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हर चीज का हल आप फटाफट थेरेपी में आइए, आप एक पास्ट लाइफ देख लीजिए, एक इनर चाइल्ड देख लीजिए और आपके पास पैसों की बरसात होगी. वो भी सकती है, बट आई एम नॉट गारंटीइंग दैट. How many people in the world actually know who they are?
I think not even more than 2% now, with a little bit of more awareness around.
And trust me, there are so many enlightened people, I may say, around in the world trying to tell people, पहले अपने आप को तो समझ लो.
Like a lot of viewers might not know what exactly inner child is.
एक डॉल होता है वुडन, एंड देन उसके अंदर एक छोटा छोटा छोटा, देयर आर ऑल दीज टाइनी डॉल्स वन इनटू द अदर. नो, दैट्स द वे एन इनर चाइल्ड कैन बी बेस्ट एक्सप्लेन. एंड आवर माइंड इज अ फैबुलस जोन. व्हाटएवर यू फीड योर माइंड, इट विल मैनिफेस्ट इट फॉर यू. बिकॉज यूनिवर्सली एक ही वर्ड है, एंड दैट वर्ड इज तथास्तु. सो व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग, द यूनिवर्स इज सेइंग तथास्तु. You say you are an idiot, tathastu. You say you are a genius, it's tathastu.
Welcome back to another episode of Dive in Waters. My name is Leena Tandon, and today I have a special guest who has helped me in my healing journey in the last 14 years. And we have Asha today. Hi Asha, thank you for coming on Dive in Waters today. I just wanted to ask that you were at a very high position in a corporate job and in a bank, and you suddenly left everything and you became a healer and a therapist. So how did the switch happen? What happened inside you that you thought that I'm going to leave all that money which is coming to me every month and then I want to start on my own journey?
Yes. So Leena, when you say high position, basically I was an officer in the front zone. So I don't call that very high, but it was a good position. Okay? And I worked with a corporate, which is an international bank. It's a multinational bank. I was selling credit cards, I was selling loans, I was trying to get people to put in their money in mutual funds, and it was very new at that time, very exciting. But funnily, I think life brings you to a space where you're doing well, and then you have to make a choice. So from going to a spot where I was getting awards and rewards for getting good targets and good business, suddenly I'm sitting in Serengeti in one evening and thinking, why am I selling credit cards? I should be doing this. And coming from me, now it sounds funny. At that time, I felt I have one life. I do not want to waste it in this manner, because sometimes we may not know what we want in life, but we definitely know what we don't want in life. And I did not want to get back into the corporate world. And I put in my resignation. My boss is like, you're crazy. You've got the yellow fever. It's not working. So you want to take a sabbatical? That's fine. But you'll come back to work. And I'm not coming back. Till date, it's been 22 years I quit. My boss still is in touch with me, my ex-boss. And I think now he says, I think you made a good choice. Okay? But at that time, yes, I knew I did not want to do that. Then I stepped out from the world. I didn't have a job. I didn't know what I was doing, honestly. I didn't know that there is a mind therapy and there's a mind theory, and none of the stuff that I teach now. I had no clue. And at that point, I realized that I don't know about this, and I'm an educated person. Maybe there are so many people who don't know about it.
And we're talking 22 years back.
Yes, that 2004 beginning.
Yeah. And that time metaphysics was just like
new in the scientific terms in India. So not many people were familiar. Not only that, people were afraid. And at that time, Leena, we only had hypnotherapy as a subject which we could learn. And people were very afraid of hypnosis. Because to us hypnosis means
Vashikaran.
vashikaran hai, somebody will just look into your eyes and take away your money and stuff like that. So people were still very wary of that, but metaphysics or spiritual learning in terms of punarjanam is centuries old in India. The Vishnu avatar shows it, so really we don't have, it's a no brainer. So but when learning it clinically, I realized that I never wanted to learn, by the way. I didn't want to be a therapist, I didn't want to be a trainer. But sometimes it's destined, you
Right.
have to do something. And at that moment there was only one thought: I need to get this information to people. People need to be aware. So I decided to write about the subject, maybe some case histories so people would know. Picking up, there were few people who would even come up for a therapy. So we had few cases, but we got them together. I wrote about that. The book came into print. We printed another edition some 5-6 years later. But to cut that story a little bit short, after my job, which you said was a high-paying job, it still strikes me. High-paying job at that time. Yes, it was. For the next 2 years, I didn't make even 1 rupee. So I had to survive on what I saved. And of course, my parents supported me. Otherwise, this wouldn't happen. Of course, my father was very upset because you cannot quit a corporate job and get into something
Which doesn't relate to them.
doesn't relate anything. Not only that, it doesn't pay you. So it's questionable. 2 years it took me, but in those 2 years, I tell you, the lessons I learned in life, the way I learned to ground myself in the field of metaphysics, it has to be grace. It cannot be, this thing cannot be decided. I couldn't have planned it better.
And when you say grounding, like, what did you do in terms of grounding yourself?
To realize what life is about. Remember, I said I thought it was one life, and this life I have to live for myself. And then I realized I've lived so many lives for myself. Maybe this life I can live for information spreading, so to say.
Or helping others.
Helping. Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure though. But available. I have the information. If somebody needs help, yes, it's possible. That's what I want.
A lot of people struggle between mind and gut. You know, your gut always says that this is not right for you. Like in your case, you know, the job which you were doing, at a point came where you were like, no, this is not me.
Yes.
But a lot of people get stuck into that loop because it's a day-to-day earning. They have to run their families. A lot of people cannot take that strong step where they really believe in their gut, and they keep living lives. What do you think, you know, a way out for people like them would be?
Maybe I'll answer it with the understanding how people come to us, because sometimes people are not sure what is the purpose of my life. When you reach a spot where it's stagnant, or you just looped, like you said, looped in the zone, you want to enjoy yourself, at the same time you want to make that money, at the same time you're not, to gol gol ghoom rahe hain log, and they come with us ki what is the purpose of my life. Tab jaake we are able to ask them, do you know what intuition is? What is that gut? Technically, all of us know that the gut is the intestine. It is supposed to digest your food. So what is this gut instinct? So behind the solar plexus zone, where we have chakras mein, Harvard School has discovered cells that are similar to your brain cells. Okay, so cells wise it is similar, but that is the center of the entire mind space that you have. So if I am this person sitting here, my mind is this huge energy field around me. It's a steady field of energy. It's a sphere. So it has a center point. And that center point is set in your subconscious zone, which means no matter what I do, my intuition will always be right for me. It may not be right for you. So if I'm not feeling good, I need to stop and ask myself, what's wrong? What makes me feel good? You know, there are so many films on that. Follow your heart and money will follow you. It's true. I'm the example of that. I knew for sure I did not want to continue a certain zone. But I must also tell you in the same breath, I'm extremely grateful for those 8 years of work that I worked in that zone. Today, I can manage my work so well. So it was important for me, and हम you know ज़्यादातर हम joke करते हैं कि this life I chose well. So I chose good parents, I chose a good space, I chose extremely good support system, and I chose a field where I'm delighted for myself today.
Hmm.
It is exhausting, I don't deny it. बहुत ज़्यादा आप थक जाते हो by the end of the day, and not because you feel drained, no, tired in a good tired.
Hmm.
But it's a fantastic zone to be. So when people have a problem between their mind and their gut, actually they're talking of the same thing.
Hmm.
What you're saying is brain and gut में problem है.
Hmm.
Brain is different. Brain is your logical thinking कि पैसा कहाँ से आएगा, बिल कहाँ से भरेंगे, बच्चों की education कैसे होगी.
Correct.
But end of the day you're not happy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So when a person comes in for therapy, we can help them to understand what makes them happy and continue with the happy zone.
Hmm.
Happy आप रहोगे तो आपके पास पैसे आएंगे ही, because you'll do it with 100% passion.
Hmm.
And it could be something as simple. I have participants, I'll say now, or maybe therapists I can call them. When I had quit, and that time I was giving a lot of awareness talks to people that it is possible, you can follow your dream. A lot of people quit, and I got the brickbat of that कि तुम्हारे वजह से हमने quit किया. But today they are happy.
Hmm.
They are making good money.
Hmm.
They are not dependent on a 9 to 5 job.
Hmm.
And आजकल 9 to 5 भी 9 to 5 नहीं है.
नहीं. Correct.
You're 9 to 9 at
Hmm.
least.
Hmm.
तो somewhere I feel we are lucky. अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है इंट्यूशन और ब्रेन में, आपको लग रहा है कि if I follow my intuition I'm going to not make good money, या फिर मेरे लिए बहुत स्ट्रेस होगा. हाँ जरूर होगा. It's a reality. I'm used to a certain amount. Nowadays salaries are really high, right? So somebody, let's say on an average makes $1 lakh a month. आपको वो डिप समझ आएगा कि मेरे पास 24 तारीख को 25 तारीख को पैसा नहीं आ रहा है. But only when you come into therapy, maybe we'll tell you धीरे धीरे step out. Now don't jump into the deep sea at the moment. धीरे धीरे change the boat, then enjoy yourself. So that's a possibility. And मेरे लिए एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको दे सकती हूँ. एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल आपको दे सकती हूँ. आप यहाँ से दिल्ली जा रहे हो, लेट्स से राजधानी. Even if that राजधानी is 40 hours late, you'll be fine. कि भाई अटक गई गाड़ी, लैंडस्लाइड हो गया, ट्रैक खराब हो गया, but I'm getting to Delhi, so I'm fine. But if you're in the wrong train and you're going to Chennai instead of Delhi, you'll be very uncomfortable right from the beginning.
Correct.
तो आप ये वेट कर रहे हो कि अगला स्टेशन आए, मैं उतर जाऊं. I want to go to Delhi. But if you continue going to Chennai and you make peace कि मुझे वहां जाना है तो मुझे वो लैंग्वेज सीखनी है, great. Nothing is right or wrong, but it's the level of comfort or discomfort you feel, the level of peace you feel in your heart. I was not at peace, I quit. Today I'm at peace even if I'm working twice the number of hours and maybe 7 days a week, hardly any break. I mean, you know me.
Yeah. So, and you think a lot of people have fear of maybe this is not meant for me, despite of their gut saying that, okay, yes, this is what I want to do. But then the fear creeps in, where you say, okay, even in relationships, even in work, in every aspect of our life, where we say कि नहीं यार ठीक है, इससे बेटर शायद नहीं मिलेगा, तो इसी के साथ सेटल हो जाते हैं. या
in the work or the person you're with.
Yeah, it becomes like your whole perspective becomes around that कि ठीक है, let's settle in here. मतलब कब तक ढूंढते रहेंगे अभी. So do you think is that a fear of any kind where people say कि this is okay for me?
हाँ, इससे बेटर मुझे नहीं मिलेगा या मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
Yeah.
Yes, fear is a very largely and loosely used term. तो fear है, but मैं शायद fear के साथ एक term और जोड़ दूंगी. It's called anxiety. And it's different in texture from fear. So when we are born, we are only born with 2 fears. Only 2. First one being the fear of falling. Second is the fear of loud noises. You know it. Every other fear is acquired. So the fear कि मुझे इससे better नहीं मिलेगा, तो let me make peace with it, it's an acquired fear. Maybe people have told you about it. Maybe as a child you saw your parents, maybe you saw your family members saying कि अब जो मिल रहा है यही ठीक है, इसी से कर लो, शादी भी इसी से कर लो. Most of our arranged marriages, sorry to say, but are on the same premise कि इसी से कर लो, ये बहुत अच्छा है. Basically families are getting married and then you make peace with it along the way. Whereas if you're probably finding out, if you can find out कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, 99% of us don't know हमें चाहिए क्या.
We don't have clarity.
We don't have that clarity. And I flip the question and say, do you know what you don't want? आपका ही example थोड़ा सा आगे ले लेते हैं. I don't want to be married to anybody other than an Indian. Oh, very good. एक टिक मार्क तो हो गया ना. फिर आप बोलोगे मुझे बॉम्बे से बाहर नहीं जाना है. Very good. Okay? So you're narrowing down, then you'll come to a zone. Na? You're like, I just want to be married, find me someone. Someone doesn't happen. Marriage is karmic. Just to take marriage as an example, marriage is karmic. You will marry the person who teaches you lessons in life. Good lessons or bad lessons. But they'll teach you lessons. It's karmic. So if you marry, then divorce, then remarry, then divorce, then you're just skipping the lesson. You might as well learn that and
And
stay.
you're attracting a similar pattern or similar kind of people again and again
Yes,
in your life.
yes. Pattern is another beautiful word we have.
Hmm.
As far as finances are concerned, okay, that is also karmic in terms of a bandwidth. You know, sometimes people have that कि no matter what they do, maybe घर पे बैठे हैं तो भी उनको minimum एक X amount आता ही है. But then they build up on that. Then they will reach, let's say, X plus 10. X plus 11 नहीं हो रहा है. Stagnant हो जाता है. Then they feel very disappointed or they may make one wrong move और वो 9, 10, 8, 7 करके फिर आप 0 पे हो, यानी X पे हो, not 0, X पे हो. And then you rebuild. So people find patterns where business is going great, then it's not doing well. Then it's going great, then that's also karmic. And there are so many examples in previous lifetimes that come here, but it also comes in the internal zone of your childhood. If your adults, if your elders have told you, बहुत ज्यादा पैसा नहीं होना चाहिए, गुरूर आ जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा पैसा नहीं होना चाहिए, नजर लग जाती है. नजर is another story. हर चीज में तो यहाँ नजर लग जाती है.
पैसे से ज्यादा
इज्जत प्यारी है. हाँ, मतलब पैसा है ना, इफ यू हैव टू मच मनी तो आपने गलत तरीके से कमाया है.
So these preconceived notions is what repeats, like triggers in your subconscious for you to get into that loop or to get into that space.
And our mind is a fabulous zone. Whatever you feed your mind, it will manifest it for you. Because universally एक ही word है, and that word is tathastu. So what you are thinking, the universe is saying tathastu. You say you are an idiot, tathastu. You say you are a genius, it's tathastu. So आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? And you might remember this, Leena, कि पहले लोग कहते थे कि आपके जुबान पे सरस्वती बैठती है, तो प्लीज थिंक व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. कभी भी बैठ सकती. दैट वाज अ वे टू टेल पीपल कि भाई स्पीक गुड थिंग्स, पॉजिटिव रहो. बट नाउ वी हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ पॉजिटिव क्यों रहो. क्योंकि what you feed your mind every night, it is photocopying that information and anchoring it in your subconscious. Eventually उसका एक stack बन जाएगा, and that's what you manifest. So manifestation के जब tools लोग दिखाते हैं, जब sometimes it's good, sometimes I'm like क्या कर रहे हैं यार.
अभी तो बहुत सारे टोटके भी आ गए हैं. बेलीफ जला लो, कुछ नंबर लिखकर, मैनिफेस्ट लिखकर, मैनिफेस्टेशन लिखकर, किसी का नाम लिखकर. You know,
that is karmic, unfortunately. Because अगर आपके लाइफ में आपने प्री प्लान नहीं किया है, लेट मी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट टॉप, मतलब एक ये चीज आपको बताना चाह रही हूँ. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, हम लोगों ने इसके बारे में बात कर ली पहले. वी कॉल, मतलब एक अपॉइंटमेंट सेट किया, एंड वी आर सिटिंग एंड टॉकिंग. इट मे टेक अस एन आवर, 2 hours, जो भी. आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, आपने आपको टिकट लेनी पड़ेगी. आप अगर अब्रॉड जा रहे हो तो वीजा होगा. अगर आप वेजिटेरियन हो तो आप खाना भी लेकर जाओगे. एंड इफ यू आर विजिटिंग रिलेटिव्स, यू विल फाइंड आउट कि आप घर पे हो ना, तो हम आए. तो हम छोटी छोटी बातों में प्लानिंग करते हैं. आवर सोल हैज एंटर्ड दिस बॉडी फॉर एक्स नंबर ऑफ इयर्स, 70, 80, 90, 100, जो भी आपकी एज होगी. इट हैज एंटर्ड इट, इट हैज अ प्लान. And in that plan, if I try to pull from here and there, I'm messing up my plan because I planned it. Which is why India में तो ये करना ही नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि we तो believe in astrology. We have horoscopes. We have all these things which can tell us. और ये आज से नहीं है, ये बहुत प्राचीन है. तो हम अगर वो believe कर रहे हैं, तो हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? Like most common problem nowadays people have is they are not able to get married. And if they get married, they are not able to stay married. If they stay married, then there are other problems that are coming up.
Or they're not happy.
They're not happy. So marriage, yeah, relationships is a big problem in the current time and zone that we find. So we look back, we check क्या हो रहा है, globally क्या हो रहा है. Is marriage an institution that will stay for long, or is it that you have more freedom in your choice of partner? First. Second, I told you marriage is karmic. So if you're not getting married, be happy. Maybe you don't have that karma. आप गले में जबरदस्ती क्यों फंदा डालोगे?
Hmm.
बिकॉज लाइफ इज सपोज टू बी इजी.
Hmm.
यदि आपकी शादी होनी होती तो इजीली हो जाती.
Hmm.
इतना हाथ पैर मारने की जरूरत नहीं है. You only need a breath. एक सांस चाहिए to be alive, and that is free. That is easy. People who have asthma and breathing issues, उनसे पूछिए how difficult it is. Right? तो अगर आपके लिए लाइफ इजी है तो जबरदस्ती क्यों गले में फंदा बांध रहे हो? अगर आपकी शादी नहीं हो रही, आप 40 के 50 के हो गए, ठीक है. What is the big deal? Right? And I'm saying this now. Maybe there was a phase where I had a problem. I'm not married. I'm thrilled today that I'm not married. Right? And that denies me nothing in life. I have more freedom. I have less karma. Am I not happy for that? Of course I am.
Because the understanding is there. You've reached a point where you understand how the system works or how the karmic pattern works.
And it took us a while.
Yeah.
But youngsters, nowadays, the new age generation is far more adept at understanding it. उन्हें समझाना जरूरी है. Rather than jumping from partner to partner to partner, which is a problem. Honestly, it's a problem because energetically you're messing yourself up. But besides that, you don't want to get married, great. Relationship. Okay? And you can still have a relationship that sustains you, that helps you to grow, that helps you to be anchored.
Yeah.
Steady, you know. That is one aspect. Second is money. Money is becoming a problem.
Big problem.
Big problem. So whether you have a job or you don't have a job, it's still an issue. You invest or you don't invest, it's still an issue. You depend on hard cash or not, it's still an issue. So monetarily, people are finding it to be a big problem. But I'm not saying कि हर चीज का हल आप फटाफट थेरेपी में आइए, आप एक पास्ट लाइफ देख लीजिए, एक इनर चाइल्ड देख लीजिए और आपके पास पैसों की बरसात होगी, हो भी सकती है. But I'm not guaranteeing that. But if I don't change my understanding of money, what is money? It's my means to get happiness. What makes me happy? But if I'm not happy, money does not come to me. People may have money, lots of money, and they have health issues.
Yeah.
So they're still not happy.
And they, even if people have so much of money, they're still so upset that I will lose all this money.
That's fear.
So their conscious is always in that kahan gaya kya. So many people don't even offer water. And when you look at their houses, they're like, they spend crores and crores in their houses, but okay, can I get a glass of water? It doesn't happen. So yes, correct.
Not all of them, like we decided.
Not all of them.
But yes, there are. See, it takes all sorts to make the world, right? And the best part with finances, is that it's very easy to make money. It is. Money is an energy, and energy always flows. But we block it. Like what you said, कि आ जाएगा तो इसको संभालना होगा. कि there's somebody who says कि पैसा आएगा तो I don't know how to manage money, so let me not have money. अगर ये आपने डिसाइड कर लिया तो how is money going to come to you? It's an energy. It's like attracting anything. Law of attraction लोग इतना सारा बोलते हैं. I have my own problems with law of attraction, but I feel if you clear your slate and you're ready to receive, you get what you need in this moment. You may not always get what you want, but what you need is always available. Before you are born, your needs are fulfilled. Our wants make us greedy. Greed is a ridiculous emotion to have. Most of our problems arise from greed. Of everything. You know, शादी करनी तो इसी से करनी है. शादी करनी कि इससे करनी है, पहले वो डिसाइड कर लो. बिकॉज करने के बाद, लाइक वी सेड, पता नहीं कर रहेंगे या नहीं.
करेक्ट.
हाँ, बिकॉज आ भी रहे हैं उस जोन से. Tell me one thing. I'm asking you a question. Sorry, ulta. How many people in the world actually know who they are?
I think not even more than 2% now, with a little bit of more awareness around.
And trust me, there are so many enlightened people, I may say, around in the world trying to tell people, पहले अपने आप को तो समझ लो. मैं अपनी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm talking of people who we really look up to. You know, we treat them like maybe gurus because India में तो गुरु प्रथा है ही. वो भी कह रहे हैं पहले अपने आप को तो समझ लो. But मैं अपने आप को नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ, and I want somebody else to understand me. How is that possible?
So when I was doing my learnings from you, when I was learning hypnosis and child regression and all of that, hypnotherapy. You know, we used to work on a lot to do with inner child. That was a very small. That time it was a very small,
Yes.
syllabus in our understanding. But now it has grown a lot and to a very far more
It's a much deeper concept. now.
correct.
Mm.
So, if like a lot of viewers might not know what exactly inner child is, and then we'll come to child regression. So, if you can tell us a little bit about what exactly inner child is.
Sure. So, have you seen those Russian dolls? वो जो एक होते हैं ना जो उसको क्या बोलते हैं शायद एक डॉल होता है वुडन एंड देन उसके अंदर एक छोटा 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 देयर आर ऑल दीज टाइनी डॉल्स वन इनटू द अदर नो दैट्स द वे एन इनर चाइल्ड कैन बी बेस्ट एक्सप्लेन्ड कि एक बड़ा एडल्ट है आई एम दिस पर्सन बट कई बार इफ देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑन द आउटसाइड आई मे थ्रो अ टैंट्रम अचानक आई स्टार्ट टू बिहेव चाइल्डिश और हम कहते भी है क्या बच्चों जैसी हरकतें कर रहे हो नो क्या वो एक आया था ना इंस्टा पे क्या बच्ची है क्या छोटी बच्ची है क्या समथिंग लाइक दैट सो it is that part of your personality which is stuck in time in this lifetime तो जब से आप मतलब कंसीव हुए हो अपने माँ के गर्भ में हो till the time of your current age whatever your age might be you may have multiple parts of yourself that are stuck in time आप किसी से पूछ लो what is your happiest memory oh when I was 3 years old मेरे grandfather ने already there is an inner child who's the age of 3 this person may be 30 but there's the happiest memories at the age of 3 it means कि उसके बाद मैं कभी उतनी खुश हुई ही नहीं so that is a happy inner child stuck in time then I for the next 27 years I'm struggling to find happiness ये सोच के कि मैं मेडल जीत लूंगी तो खुश हो जाऊंगी शादी कर लूंगी तो खुश हो जाऊंगी मुझे अच्छा जॉब मिल जाएगा तो खुश हो जाऊंगी but my happy child is stuck in time on my grandfather's lap I am not here so inner children में most people look for traumatic inner children मतलब trauma जब हुआ था कि you know some people remember बचपन में मुझे बहुत मारा गया था इसीलिए मैं आज इतने गुस्से से बात करती हूँ या करता हूँ yes of course that is one phase that is a younger part of yourself stuck in that bubble of the pain and hurt that you were hit most of us remember कि मुझे मारा था क्यों मारा था याद ही नहीं maybe I made a mistake okay आज की तारीख में तो वो अलाउड ही नहीं है for us it was discipline if you ask me I'm happy it happened because it teaches the child a very important aspect and that is boundary okay I'm not saying please go and hit your children no that's not what I'm saying
but when we were raised
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल हमारा वो कहते हैं ना वाईफाई जुड़ जाता है थप्पड़ पड़ो सब ठीक से याद आ जाता था हमें कुछ भी भूल जाओ तो जस्ट वन थप्पड़ अवे and seriously schools I'm grateful for the time and age at which we learned I see mentioned but I'm glad कि we learned boundaries आज हमारा सबसे बड़ा जो प्रॉब्लम है इस वर्ल्ड में is we don't know our boundaries most people don't know their boundaries so आपको ये नहीं पता कि when you have to stop an addiction when you have to stop doing something we don't know when to stop the Instagram scrolling you know when I was young we had like evening I think 7 to 9 TV होता था या 7 to 10 ऐसे 2-3 घंटे था
and we didn't have phones iPads nothing
I wish I could go back there but that's my child thing let's go back there but yes उस समय पे we had more ability to use the head in a constructive way तो होता ये है कि during the growing up phase we have stages in which we grow up 0 to 1 2 to 3 3 to 6 6 to 9 these are the ages when the psychological growth of the human being is happening along with the physiological growth यानी body तो grow हो ही रही है साथ में आपकी साइकोलॉजिकल इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट हो रही है तो अगर कोई केस एग्जांपल लो तो अगर लोग आते हैं कि आई वांट टू लूज वेट वेट इज एन इशू आई वांट टू लूज वेट मेरा तो वजन कम ही नहीं होता मेरा तो होता ही नहीं है अरे यू नो व्हाट आई कांट से नो टू फूड सामने आ गया ना चॉकलेट तो मैं खा ही लेती हूँ आई हैड अ केस ऑफ अ पर्सन सेइंग कि शी इज फ्रॉम अ मारवाड़ी फैमिली तो बचपन से ऐसे होता है कि आपके टेबल पे हमेशा फूड होता है इंडिया में तो हर टेबल पे फूड होता है So it's be like कि कुछ भी है तो आओ और खा लो, आओ और खा लो, यहाँ से जा रहे हो खा लो. So you're just eating. There is no boundary. आपको रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा कि पेट भर चुका है, अब खाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आप रुक रहे हो तो कोई और आके बुला रहे बेटा एक ही खा ले, एक गिराइए खा ले, that way. So we had to ask her, what do you mean I can't say no? And where all can you not say no? मैं तो कभी भी ना नहीं बोलती हूँ किसी भी चीज को. If somebody asks me कि तुम्हारे पास 5,000 रुपए है, नहीं भी होंगे तो मैं दे दूंगी कहीं से लाके, बिकॉज आई कांट से नो, इसने मांगा है. अगर किसी को मेरा ये ड्रेस पसंद है, अच्छा मैं तुमको कल दे दूंगी, यू नो, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. अब आप ब्लेस्ड हो, आप दे सकते हो, एवरीबडी कांट डू दैट. बट दिस पर्सन का एग्जाम्पल आगे लेते हैं. देयर आर टर्म्स, वी डोंट टर्म पीपल, आई एम अवर्स टू टर्म्स, बट समटाइम्स दे आर कॉल्ड पीपल प्लीजर्स. कि हर चीज में हाँ बोलते हैं, हर चीज में हाँ बोलते हैं, दे डोंट हैव, अपनी राय नहीं होती उनकी. क्योंकि जब ये राय देने का समय था, एज अ चाइल्ड, इन दैट एज, द फर्स्ट टाइम द चाइल्ड सेज नो. एक बच्चा जब ग्रो हो रहा है और आप उसको खाना खिला रहे हो, वो कहेगा नहीं, आई डोंट वांट इट, नहीं. और अगर उस समय द पर्सन हु इज फीडिंग हिम इज स्लैपिंग द चाइल्ड एंड से हाउ कैन यू से नो, खाओ. And if it happens repeatedly as a pattern, the child realizes, I can't say no. When you decide, I can't say no, as a child, throughout your life, you realize, I can't say no. And therefore, you're constantly eating and you're gaining weight. Okay? If we go back to that weight gain, that is only one reason of weight gain. There are multiple. But if we go back and we correct that childhood, हम regression में जब ले जाते हैं, correction of that, the child has lost a very important resource, the ability to use the willpower. क्योंकि मुझे अलाउड नहीं था ना बोलना. When we take the resource, and that is therapy में, it's energy. Energy is E is equal to mc square, कहीं भी हो सकती है. You take back the resource and your willpower, and then you exercise it in life. Then you can go and exercise in the gym or maybe eat properly, because आप ना बोल सकते हो, इससे ज्यादा मैं नहीं खाऊंगी, इससे ज्यादा मैं अपने आप को परेशान नहीं कर. All those things come with saying no.
आपने अपनी बाउंड्रीज रिवायर करनी है.
बाउंड्रीज रिवाइव होती हैं. So if a person learns boundaries and healthy boundaries, it can only come when your childhood is healed. So that's what mota and inner child work is about.
And do you think a lot of issues in terms of relationships also dwell from inner child?
Absolutely yes. I said कि inner child work, yeah, the youngest. Can I give an example for this? Maybe it will be easier. So I had this case of a person, family friends है, उनकी बेटी उस वक्त 5 या 5.5 साल की थी, and parents knew कि now she's about 20, तो 15 साल पहले की बात है. I just started training in this field, 5 साल हुए थे मुझे. So they said कि तुम कुछ बोलो इसको, इतना, she's such an angry person. सिर्फ वो 5 साल की, 5.5 साल की, what anger are you talking about? नहीं, इतना tantrums है इसका. एंड उस समय पे तो फिर भी पेरेंट्स थप्पड़ लगा देते थे, बोले अगर हम थप्पड़ लगाएं तो इट राइजेस, इट डजंट सेटल. सो आई सेड नाउ यू ऑब्जर्व कि कब होता है, ये ऑब्जर्व करिए, हमेशा तो नहीं कोई भी कर सकता. सो दे रियलाइज द मेजर प्रॉब्लम इज विद द दादी, फादर्स मदर. एंड वन डे आई वेंट, मैं विजिट करने गई थी उनको, तो दे सेड देख अब ये इतनी अच्छी वेल बिहेव्ड है, कितना हंस रही है तेरे साथ, कितने प्यार से बात कर रही है, थोड़ा हम कुछ बोलेंगे तो इट विल बी अ टैंट्रम. ओके, एंड लिटरली एज अ ट्रायल दे जस्ट सेड कि नहीं ये नहीं करना, ये दादी को दे. द मिनट शी गेट्स, इट्स लाइक अ ट्रिगर, दादी को क्यों देना है, मैं ही खाऊंगी, मुझे ही चाहिए, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो शी काम डाउन अ लिटिल बिट, पानी वानी, सेड मेरे से बात करो कि हाँ. वी वेंट टू द अदर रूम एंड आई एम टॉकिंग टू दिस 5-year-old चाइल्ड लीना, एंड आई एम आस्किंग हर टू टेल मी अबाउट क्या हो रहा है दादी के घर. मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आता है दादी पे, मेरा तो मन करता है दादी का मुंह तोड़ दूं. नाउ चाइल्ड डजंट टॉक लाइक दैट. नॉर्मली चिल्ड्रन डोंट टॉक लाइक दैट. सो आई एम आस्किंग हर कि क्लोज योर आईज और मुझे ये बताओ कि तुम्हें पहली बार दादी पे गुस्सा कब आया. नाउ सी आई टेल यू दिस कि एक एक्सपीरियंस है. I have done a lot of sessions. I keep doing sessions. So it's easy for me to help a person to transit into a zone if the person is willing, which the child was, and with the consent of the parents I was working with the child. So she closes her eyes and she says मैं तो इतनी सी हूँ, मैं तो इतनी सी हूँ. I said इतनी सी मतलब, तूने, मैं तो मम्मा के पेट में हूँ. Now I'm thinking 5.5-year-old child, is she imagining things? Because उस समय मेरे लिए भी नया था ये, मैं सोचूं is she imagining क्या, how does she know this? But she told me things कि मैं तो बहुत छोटी हूँ, and then she's putting her hands on her ears. तो मैंने कहा क्या हो रहा है बेटा? नहीं, मुझे बहुत आवाजें आ रही हैं, मुझे नहीं सुनना. I don't want to listen. किसकी आवाज आ रही, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे नहीं सुनना. एंड लाइक यू स्टार्ट अ चाइल्डिश रॉकिंग, ऐसे हो जाता है पूरा, बच्चे जैसे करते हैं जब वो घबरा जाते हैं. तो शी डज दैट. तो व्हाट आई इन थेरेपी, वी जब हम ट्रेनिंग करते हैं वी यूज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉप्स आल्सो. तो आई जस्ट एक चादर पड़ी थी, उसको रोल करके आई जस्ट गिव इट टू सेट, ये बेबी है. व्हाट इज अ बेबी फीलिंग? तो नाउ दिस चाइल्ड इज कनेक्टेड टू द बेबी एंड शी इज सेइंग बेबी को गुस्सा आ रहा है, बेबी को बहुत बुरा लग रहा है, बेबी को गुस्सा. मैंने बेबी को गुस्सा कहाँ से आ रहा है? बिकॉज नहीं आ सकता, यू नो, स्टिल लर्निंग. सो बेबी इज टेकिंग ऑल द एंगर फ्रॉम द मदर. Mother is very angry, and the mother is also very upset because she's not able to express that anger. कौन चिल्ला रहा है? तो दादी चिल्ला रही है. The mother is not able to express that anger. उल्टा जवाब नहीं दे सकते सास को. So the anger is internalized. Then the mother is crying. So the child is picking up that anger for all the time that she has had those episodes. It wasn't every day, but whenever it was, it's a bad episode. वो चल रहा है, and internally the child is thinking, "You just wait. मैं दिखाऊंगी तुझे." She is saying that to me. मैं दिखाऊंगी तुझे.
To the दादी.
हाँ. You just wait. मैं दिखाऊंगी. So when she is born, then obviously we take it as a process. She is born, and she's जैसे everybody is saying, अरे what a pretty baby, what a cute baby, all is fine. जैसे दादी उठाई है तो लाते मारना शुरू करे, चिल्लाए. So the दादी is already feeling क्या फायदा, बेबी है तो भी मेरे से तो connected ही नहीं है. And for 5 years this has happened at least 75 to 80% of the times. कि there is a direct conflict with the dadi. We had to rewind that process. We had to heal that fetus and help the fetus to grow up. कि it is not your anger, it is your mother's anger. We take on that anger. As a baby in the womb, हमने अभिमन्यु की कहानी सुनी है सबने. So we take it on. There are times when mothers, we work with cesarean, as an issue of surgical trauma release. 20, 25, 30 साल के बाद भी जब people come in for therapy, they are 30 years, 40 years, they've had a cesarean birth, mother का cesarean, but they come to a point where मेरे वजह से, मेरे कारण मेरी mother को तकलीफ हो रही है, इनको कोई तकलीफ नहीं हो सकती. So the rest of their lives they are only protecting and defending the mother from everything. Nothing wrong with it. Prima facie. बाहर से देखो तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? But internally they are not able to get married. They have anger tantrums. They feel helpless. They cannot say no to the mother. अगर mother ने कह दिया ये करना है तो करना ही है. And मैं आपको ये नहीं बता रही हूँ कि हर व्यक्ति जो कर रहा है ये गलत है. मैं कह रही हूँ थेरेपी में आ रहे उनकी बात कर रही हूँ. I don't know what other people are going through. But थेरेपी में जब ये आते हैं then they realize कि मेरी मदर ने तो मुझे कभी नहीं बोला कि यही करना है. So it's a self defeating story. And then झगड़ा क्या होता है? झगड़े में मदर को कहते हैं तुम्हारे वजह से मैं, तो मदर ने, मैंने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं है तुमको. They don't realize they picked it up as a child. So relationship trauma comes from inner child trauma.
I remember when I was working with you, when I initially came to you, I was going through a really rough phase in my relationships. I used to always be like, every boyfriend I have, he just kind of ghosts and walks away until initial stage is all very good and everything. And then when we started working, we realized that it came from because I lost my father when I was 4.5. So the abandonment trigger was happening when I had grown up, and so we started healing on that. So yeah, it was very.
You set yourself up for abandonment.
So we were talking, and you had said that you're doing a research on period pains. Why some women have a lot of pains, and why some are like okay to do their regular day-to-day
activities.
Yeah. So what is that research?
So we realized that this exactly is the start of the question, the research. Why is it that everybody doesn't have dysmenorrhea, which is primary and secondary dysmenorrhea, जिसको बोलते हैं period pain commonly. कि जब menstrual cycle हो रहा होता है तो some people have a lot of cramping, पेन एंड PMS जिसको बोलते हैं, बट हर पर्सन को नहीं, एवरी गर्ल डजंट गो थ्रू इट. So we, in our understanding, in our research, in our study of it, we realize that especially वो गर्ल्स जिनको बचपन से या तो सिखाया गया है कि भाई ये होगा, तुम्हें दर्द होगा, तो यू आर प्रोग्रामिंग कि मुझे दर्द होगा. जैसे इवन वाइल चाइल्ड बर्थ, नॉट ऑल विमेन गो थ्रू पेन. सेम वे पीरियड पेन हर एक को नहीं होता. PCOD, PCOS, फाइब्रॉइड्स हर एक को नहीं होता. यू नो, इट्स लाइक सेइंग मेरे पास 2 आंखें, 1 नाक, 1 मुंह है. हर ह्यूमन को है. लेकिन इफ देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम इन इट, अगर मेरी नाक टेढ़ी तो सिर्फ मेरी टेढ़ी है, राइट? ऐसे ही एवरीबडी डजंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. तो स्पेशली गर्ल्स दैट वर रिजेक्टेड एट बर्थ, कि हमें बेटा चाहिए, बेटी नहीं चाहिए. दूसरी चीज ये कि वी आर इक्वल, तो वी शुड कम टू द इक्वल पोजिशन. नथिंग रॉन्ग इन बीइंग इक्वल, बट every person needs to realize the body is different whether you're a man or a woman. तो आप अपनी बॉडी को जब ऑनर करोगे तो आपको पेन नहीं होगी, होगा ही नहीं पेन. देन अब्यूज इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इट विच इज अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक, बट वो एक तरीका हो जाता है. क्या कई बार लोग बोलते हैं आई विश आई वॉज नॉट अ गर्ल. So you store that energy of your emotions in the sacral chakra, which is the chakra that controls the reproductive organs. तो धीरे धीरे वो growth, anger जो होता है, it starts to manifest in the system. You don't want to be a girl anymore. You hate the fact that you are not good enough for your parents or for the job or for, you know.
Yeah.
So हमारी प्रॉब्लम वो हो गई है. एंड ये मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा था, जो अब मैं बोलने वाली हूँ, मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा था. आई एम स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट हाउ एक्टिव दैट इज. कि पुराने जमाने में बोलते हैं ना, हम एक कहावत बोलते हैं, ओ नाउ शी इज वेयरिंग द पैंट्स इन द हाउस. एक कहते हैं ना हम लोग, इट्स सपोज टू बी सार्कास्टिक, लेकिन मैं एक्सप्लेन करना चाहती हूँ एनर्जेटिकली कि प्राचीन काल में, पुराने जमाने में, विमेन वुड वेयर लूज फ्लोई ड्रेसेस या घाघरे या साड़ीज. They would be loose, open garments, and men would wear dhoti or maybe a pant or, you know, something which is dividing both the legs, because as the hunter you cannot run in a ghagra.
Correct.
You know, you will need that to run. The women on the other hand are more flowing with energy. तो आपके लिए आपके lower chakras, which is your childbearing chakra, it is your nurturing chakra, it has to be open and active. तो अब हमने क्या कर दिया, वी ब्लॉक्ड द एनर्जी फील्ड ऑल्सो. सो ये प्रॉब्लम हमारी हो जाती है. तो हम वो रिसर्च हमारा अभी तक चल रहा है. इट इज, आई फाउंड इट वेरी फैसिनेटिंग. बट टू कम बैक टू व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग, एवरी पर्सन हु फील्स रिजेक्टेड एंड्स अप रिजेक्टिंग देमसेल्व्स. इफ आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ फॉर यू, मे बी आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. एंड द मोर नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स आई से दैट, आई बिगिन टू बिलीव इट. व्हाट आई बिलीव इन, आई विल मैनिफेस्ट. इवेंचुअली you, me, every person, we are a product of our belief system. I believe I am a girl or a woman, therefore I am.
Yeah.
If I don't like that I am a woman and I believe I can be a better man, then I have a big problem.
Then you start behaving like a man and in a woman's body, and which is not aligning with
and not only that, Leena, forget about behaving like a man. You're not behaving like a woman to begin with. So your body is feeling rejected, and body stores cellular memory. So physiologically you have altered the memory of the body, and it starts to give you trouble. Pain in the body, any kind of pain, you know the formula, PAIN is pay attention in the now. तो आपको ये बोल रहा है pay attention, what are you doing? So our research is based on that. So any person who has primary dysmenorrhea, secondary dysmenorrhea, period pain, PCOD, PCOS, हम कहते हैं आओ, एटलीस्ट वी कैन गो बैक इन टू चाइल्डहुड एंड करेक्ट योर बिलीफ. You don't have to be in pain. You don't have to suffer. Okay, menstrual cycles are the most normal way of life for a woman, and it has to be easy. You are not given anything that is not easy for you. This is easy, so why complicate it? So inner child work mein, we will regress to the first time probably you had your period or something, and we understand उस समय क्या हुआ था. कुछ घरों में आज भी उनको बाहर बैठो, हाथ मत लगाओ, मंदिर में मत जाओ, बहुत सारी चीजें बोली जाती हैं. कुछ कारण है उन चीजों का एनर्जेटिकली, विच इज नॉट, दिस इज नॉट द प्लेस, बट है. और आप करो या ना करो, आपकी फैमिली आपको कैसे उस समय ट्रीट करती है इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द वुमन टू फील वुमन लाइक
or safe in the
or
body.
safe. Yes,
Mm.
absolutely. Safe is the word. Thank you. They need to feel that safety, and if you're safe, you're fine.
Yeah.
You know, there's so many of us, so many people who are, let's say, in the army, but they don't have period pain because they still feel safe.
Yeah.
And there are so many girls who may be very good artists and free flowing, but they have period pain. So it is not किसी एक सेगमेंट के लिए नहीं है, लेकिन आपने चाइल्डहुड में अपने आप को क्या कहा है और क्या एब्जॉर्ब किया है एनवायरनमेंट से, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
We'll just, it's a little off the topic, but I want to finish this session with it. We were discussing that I went to Neem Karoli, Baba, and before that, 10 days prior to my visit, you had gone to Neem Karoli. I could not go to Hanumangadi. I didn't even know about it. When I reached Neem Karoli, Baba, I hardly knew who he is, or, you know, it was just very divine like that I reached there. And I want to understand, you met a Maharaji who was with Neem Karoli Baba.
Yes.
He had seen him in a physical form
Yes.
that time. He worked with him. And he came...
Unka inner child tha wo.
Unka inner child. And he, you spoke to him and he told you a story about that place.
Yes.
So, and it gave me goosebumps, and I definitely want people who follow him or who are so connected to him to understand why he built Hanumangadi and what was it like.
So yes, it's beautiful place. So जो कहानी मुझे बताई गई थी, या कहानी नहीं, जो कथा, यानी जो क्या कहते हैं, you know, कोई किसी की एक कथा बताते हैं कि देखिए ऐसा हुआ था. तो जैसे उन्होंने हमें बताया, हम लोग 5-6 लोग थे, जैसे हमें पता है वैसे ही मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. तो जब हम उनके साथ बैठे थे महाराज जी के साथ, तो ही वॉज अ चाइल्ड, यंग पर्सन, आई थिंक इन 73 मस्ट हैव बीन अ यंग मैन. तो क्योंकि बाबा तो 73 में ही लेफ्ट हिज बॉडी. तो हनुमानगढ़ी इज आउटसाइड नैनीताल, जस्ट आई थिंक 1.5 किलोमीटर दूर कहीं पे है. छोटी सी टेकड़ी जैसे है, एक छोटा सा हिल है. वहाँ कोई जाता नहीं था बिकॉज उस समय इन दोज इयर्स इट वॉज ऑन द आउटस्कर्ट्स. नैनीताल वॉज अ स्मॉलर प्लेस, बट जैसे जो बच्चे आइदर स्टिल बॉर्न बेबीज हैं या कोई बच्चा जैसे पैदा होता है और गुजर जाता है, या फिर अगर किसी को, मान लीजिए उस जमाने की बात है, जैसे उन्होंने बताया कि टू मेनी गर्ल चिल्ड्रन, तो एक यू डोंट वांट अ चाइल्ड और समथिंग, क्या कहते हैं उसको, इन्फेंटिसाइड जैसे. तो द बेरियल जोन फॉर दैट वाज ऑन दैट हिल. और वो काफी सारे बच्चे वहाँ पे, मतलब उनके लिए इट वाज अ काइंड ऑफ एक सेमेट्री, एक स्मशान जैसे वो बच्चों के लिए. एंड जब बाबा पहले भूमियाधार आए थे, फिर भूमियाधार से वो गए थे कैंची धाम जैसे. देयर आर सो मेनी स्टोरीज ऑफ बाबा, बट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वन जो उन्होंने बोला कि ही डिसाइडेड कि मुझे एक और मंदिर बनाना है हनुमान जी का, और उसके लिए अच्छी जगह ढूंढ रहा हूँ. और वो घूमते रहते थे बाबा. तो ही केम टू हनुमानगढ़ी, टू दैट प्लेस, टू द गढ़, टू दैट हिल. एंड ही सेड यहाँ मुझे मंदिर बनाना है. तो बोला यहाँ तो जाने का रास्ता भी नहीं है, जंगल है, प्लस इट्स नॉट अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल स्पेस, यहाँ कैसे काम करेंगे. तो बट बाबा वेंट अप. वो घंटों वहाँ मेडिटेशन करते थे, अकेले बैठे रहते थे. उनकी किताब में भी लिखा है ये, बैठे रहते थे वहाँ पे उस हिल पे. एंड he said यहाँ बनेगा मंदिर. तो he started making it help से. he also told us कि जो स्कल्पचर है, जो मेसन स्कल्पटर, जो मूर्ति बना रहे थे, प्रतिमा बना रहे थे हनुमान जी की, तो उनका गर्दन तक की प्रतिमा बन चुकी थी. और बाबा ने क्या किया था, उन्होंने छोटी प्रतिमा बनाई हुई थी, सिर्फ ऐसे बनना है. तो बोले कि मेरे से चेहरा बन ही नहीं रहा है हनुमान जी का. तो वहाँ पे जीवंती माँ एंड माँ उनके साथ जो थे, जो 2 माँ थे, वो उन्होंने बताया उनको कि बाबा बन नहीं रही है प्रतिमा. तो बोले जो क्ले जो यूज करने वाले हैं, एक तो उसमें केसर आपको केसरी करना है, ऊपर से आपको चैंटिंग करना है, राम 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 बोलोगे तब जाके वो चेहरा बनेगा. एंड वैसा ही हुआ. ही वॉज एबल टू मेक इट. आप अगर हनुमानगढ़ी के हनुमान जी की प्रतिमा के जो मुख है उसके दर्शन करोगे तो आपको रियलाइज होगा बहुत अलग है फ्रॉम नॉर्मल. तो एक तो वो स्टोरी हो गई. दूसरी ये कि जब वो रेडी हो गया, मंदिर इज रेडी, अब हमें प्राण प्रतिष्ठा या स्थापना करके उसको शुरू करना है, लोग आएंगे. पहले तो लोग पूछते हैं यहाँ आएगा कौन ना रास्ता है ना सड़क है, इट्स नॉट अ गुड प्लेस। तो बाबा ने कहा तुम करो, हो जाएगा। उसके स्टार्ट में ही सेड यहाँ पे भंडारा भी करेंगे। भंडारा के लिए कौन आएगा? बोलते तुम बनाओ ना, आई थिंक 1000 या 2000 या 4, आई थिंक ही गिव अस अ नंबर, मे बी लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल, 1000 लोगों के लिए आप तैयार करो। तो पूरी मालपुए, नो ऑल द goodies he got them to prepare it. There were holes that were dug in the ground to keep it warm because ठंड के टाइम, एंड उस पूरा उन्होंने रेडी कर दिया भंडारा, एंड एवरीवनस वेटिंग आएगा कौन। एंड हमें तो अभी भी रोंगटे आते हैं बिकॉज ही सेड लिटरली हजारों बच्चे आए, भंडारा से उन्होंने भोजन किया और उनकी मुक्ति हुई। सो वो नाम जो है हनुमानगढ़ी, वहां से हजारों आत्माओं को उन्होंने रिहा किया था। सो दैट्स अ स्टोरी दैट स्टेज विथ मी, एंड या दैट्स द स्टोरी
Cool,
as I heard it.
Yeah, because it was very new.
नहीं, we wouldn't also know.
Yeah.
No, by chance हम गए, हम तो ऐसे हाँ ओके नमस्ते नमस्ते, यू नो प्रणाम करो करो, प्रसाद लो चने का, निकल जाओ। हाँ काले चने ऑल्सो, मतलब छोले चने, ऑल दैट। तो हम वो लिए बैठे। फिर अच्छा था कि वी गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मीट हिम। तो उन्होंने वो पूरी साखी हम कहते हैं नॉर्थ में, वो सुनाई।
Cool. I think we had a very good session
Thank you,
today.
Leena.
At least whatever information or whatever emotional turmoils people are going through, probably this will have a new understanding for them. Yeah.
Actually, I just want to say कि whatever is your problem, whatever is your problem, पहले आप इस लाइफ में find that start point. Don't go running for past life and you know everything energy से ठीक कर देंगे। हाँ, लेकिन अगर आप अपना बिलीफ सिस्टम ठीक नहीं करोगे तो चाहे जितनी एनर्जी लगा लो, यू विल कीप रिपीटिंग द पैटर्न्स। तो पैटर्न ब्रेक करना है, लाइफ बदलनी है, तो इनर चाइल्ड वर्क जरूर करिए, कहीं से भी करिए, पर करिए, होपफुली जेन्युइन लोगों से।
I think we had a very good session with Asha today, and मुझे लगता है आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा insight मिलेगा about inner child, about the traumas, or about the issues you're feeling in yourself, and maybe this will help you out in some way or the other. And we'll meet you in the next episode soon. Thank you.